Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by deciding scope. Are you changing the system default folder or only one app? Once decided, make a quick backup or a restore point so you can revert if needed. Next, open File Explorer on Windows or Finder on Mac OS and locate the folder you want to use. You're not wasting time on basics. You need the exact folder path now. Copy the path or note its name. This saves clicks later and ensures you set the correct target when changing preferences. Now change the location in the appropriate place. On Windows, right-click the Documents or Downloads folder, choose Properties and use the Location tab to move it. Confirm moving files. On Mac OS, open the app's preferences or adjust Finder's sidebar by dragging the folder into place. Some apps let you set a default open or save folder in Preferences General. For specific apps like Photoshop or Word, change their open/save defaults inside Preferences. Finish by testing. Open several apps and confirm the open or save dialog opens to the new location. If it still points to the old folder, double-check the path entries and reapply the preference. You may need to restart the app or computer. If you get access denied or files won't move, fix folder permissions or rerun the change as an administrator or root. Troubleshooting tip: if something breaks, restore from your backup or reset the app's preferences to revert quickly and retry the change.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.